Coach Snyder, and I am getting ready to do a workout. I have agility tonight, and then I'm going to do an ab workout after that. But before I get started, I just want to say thank you so much for all the new subscribers. My channel is a lot on at-home fitness. I am a coach through the company Beachbody, which I dearly love because they have amazing programs. They have amazing ways to be healthy at home. And it just works for me because I'm a dad of 4 kids. And so it helps me just stay on track and be here for my family also. I am always wanting to invite people to Facebook. Facebook, I have a health and fitness group on. It has 700 people in it right now. And we're just all working out, and whether you're doing Beachbody or not, you can join the group, and basically it's a way to be inspired, motivated. I give tips, ideas, recipes, just a lot of good stuff in there, and it's open to anybody. I will leave the link below if you're interested. That was my daughter. She's over there with the puppy. But anyways, yeah, so I didn't get any workout in earlier today, so I'm going to do it right now. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel and you're watching this, please hit the subscribe button. I would love that. It'd mean the world to me. Also, if you have any ideas or have any feedback from my channel, anything you know might want me to do a video on, please leave that in the comments also. Always looking for ideas. But anyways, I'm gonna get started here pretty soon today. Like I said, we have this is my calendar, I mark it off. But today we have chisel agility and 10-minute ab hammer. And there's my lovely daughter. So what I do, we have to get up here on the app. My whole gym is in my downstairs basement of my new house. So we get to my program. It's nice because you have a calendar that tells you exactly what you need to do. So chisel agility is 40 minutes, so just hit on this. And here I go. Oh my gosh, wow. Agility, we did every move for 1 minute long. It was crazy. It was 40 minutes, as you can see. But you wanna know what? You gotta put in the work if you want the results. You know, the pain is temporary and the results are forever. How bad do you want it? That's what you gotta ask yourself. How bad do you want to be healthy? How bad do you want your fitness level? You know, if you want a 6-pack of abs, or if you want that muscle, man, you gotta put in that work. It's not gonna happen overnight, but if you start now, you'll be closer to your transformation than if you start next month. You know, so you gotta just work. That's basically what it is. And I worked my butt off, and I'm gonna keep on working my butt off because I'm not done. I want to get better results than I have before. I'm gonna keep going because I feel awesome. I feel amazing. So if you're interested in these home workouts that I'm doing, please comment below, and I'd love to have you in my group. I would love to have you try some of these programs out and get these amazing results that I know you can get through these programs. But anyways, I need to hit the showers. Have a great, awesome rest of your evening, and stay positive. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my community, and have an awesome rest of your night. Bye.